Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Morning Markets for today, Monday the 9th of March. So what we're trying to do with these videos is really give you an insight into what we're discussing on the investment team at our daily morning meetings. So the coronavirus continues to dominate both news flow but also sentiment. There's been significant movement within asset prices overnight and into today. And that's triggered by investor nervousness around the coronavirus outbreak and a 30% fall in the oil price after OPEC and Russia failed to reach a deal on production levels. Oil has seen slowing demand due to the coronavirus, and therefore Saudi Arabia proposed to cut 1.5 million barrels of production per day at the recent OPEC Plus meeting. Russia, however, walked away from this meeting. Basically, Russia believe that lower oil prices will force US shale companies out of business. Saudi, however, retaliated, slashing its export prices and essentially starting at a price war with Russia. But what are the implications of a fall in the oil price? The market is trying to basically attribute value at this point, and this is why we've seen the levels of volatility in both equity market prices, but also bond market prices, currencies and commodities. Whilst the impact has been negative on global markets, we need to remember that actually you've seen big positive moves in other asset classes. So asset classes such as government bonds and certain commodities. So this is why portfolio diversification is so important within multi-asset investing. And from my perspective, the four things that we really need to take on board. So the first is that investors need to focus on diversification. The second is that investors are seeking to address long-term savings requirements. The third is our balanced portfolio actually has a beta of around about 0.4 to world equities. What does that mean? It means that if world equities fall by 1%, there'd be an expectation that the balanced portfolio would fall by about 0.4%. So you do see some partial protection by that diversification. Regular saving over the longer term is important and offers the opportunity to average out market volatility. So with that, I'd like to thank you very much. And you'll either see myself or Jeff tomorrow when we present on Morning Markets. Thank you.